If you're interested in how I created this beautiful mirrored planter and candle stand, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hello loves, and welcome to BRE's Project Book. If you're new to my channel, welcome aboard. Today we'll be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. Today is Wednesday, which is Craft with Bree today. And we're going to start with these supplies. We're going to create a mirrored candlestick, a mirrored candle holder or planter today to go on my coffee table. I will be doing a Decorate With Me coffee table coming up for the summer, and I wanted something that was glam and mirrored. So we'll be doing a DIY, everything from Dollar Tree. What you would need are these items: Gooby gun, scissors, glue sticks, felt, 5 square mirrors, 4 octagon mirrors, E6000 glue, and optional double-sided tape. So let's get started. I saw this beautiful candle holder or planter stand on Home Talk, I believe it is, or it could have been Pinterest, and I wanted to recreate it today on the channel for you guys. So basically what we're going to do is take first the square mirrored. This is the square mirror that came from Dollar Tree, and they have different types right now. These are the ones that has the bevel edge. I had these for a while, but when I went to Dollar Tree to purchase some more of the bevel edge mirror, they don't have them anymore, or they discontinued. I'm not sure. Now they just have the plain square mirrors without the decorative edges. But today I am using the decorative edges for this DIY. So you would turn this over. You don't have to worry about the tabs here. We're going to leave those on. It's optional. You can take them off. You can even put felt on the back of here or some kind of cloth to decorate that. But since this is going to be inside the planter, I will not be doing that today. So we will take this mirrored and we're going to clean this off real nicely to get all the fingerprints off of it and everything. Now when you choose your mirrors out of Dollar Tree, make sure you inspect them well. Make sure they're all the same size. Make sure there's no cracks in them and there is no any chips or anything like that, because that will show on your DIY and you want it to be perfect. So we want to clean this off nicely, and once this is cleaned off, we'll put that on the side, and then we're going to take our octagon mirror and we're going to turn it over. We're going to take the tabs off. Now I already taken the tabs off already, but you can see where they were. Now you can continue and take this off completely with the Gooby gun by setting it down on the sticky part, but it's best to do this when you take the tab off, then put the Gooby gun on top, because the Gooby gun only takes off the sticky film. So the film is left, and if you want to use the Gooby gun at this stage, by all means go ahead. I don't need to, because we are going to be gluing this down on top of the mirror, and it's going to look just like this once we glue it down. That's the reason why we want all the fingerprints off, so you could get a nice solid surface and it will glue very nicely. So now you're going to turn this over and you're going to take your E6000 glue. You're going to just basically, not too much, but spread this on here. Don't go all the way to the edge, because we don't want the glue to seep out. And I said not to do that, and I did just that. Okay, so like I said, don't go all the way to the edge. Mostly concentrate about 1/4 of an inch inside from the edge. Then to go ahead and stick this quickly, once you put the E6000 glue on, go ahead and take some glue from your hot glue gun and just spread that on here. And basically what that does, they go ahead and it adhere the mirror on top of the square mirror quickly while the E6000 glue is drying. So you're going to take your square, put it in front of you, turn your octagon mirror over, and you're going to measure. Make sure you put this on here as close as you can. So we're going to do all 4 sides of the candle holder. Now what we're going to do, I'm cleaning off the mirrors and get all the smudges off and some of the glue residue. I put a little of the Gooby gun on this rag here, and I'm just basically going through the mirrors and just cleaning off all that leftover glue that may have gotten on the mirrors itself. Okay, so you're going to take the last mirror, the one without the second mirror on top. That is going to be the base. So this mirror is going to face up because we're going to put felt on the back of here. So we're going to remove these tabs here. I'm going to just do it with my fingers. They come out pretty simple. I mean, pretty easily. So we're going to set this with the mirror face up, and we're going to take one of our decorative mirrored piece, and we're going to put it on the side here. Make sure that it is even. And we're going to take our glue gun. We're going to hold that, make sure that this mirror right here is standing straight up. So we're going to do that with all the rest of the mirrors on each side of the base mirror. So next we're going to apply the felt. Now I've done this so many times, so I'm just going to eyeball it. But if you feel more comfortable, please use your measuring tape or measuring ruler to measure out the bottom of your box and apply your felt. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off until I get the right size. And then we're going to add some double-sided tape to the edges and the middle. Okay, here it is, loves. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the way this looks. It gives that dimensional, 3D dimensional kind of effect to it with the two mirrors. And I think this is gorgeous, and without any of diamond wrap or any, just two different styles of mirrors, one glued on top of the other, and it is beautiful. So this is what it looks like with a nice little planter inside. This planter is one I always had. I had this, I think I purchased it from Ross several years back, but it just sits in here nicely. And I love the way this looks. Beautiful as a planter. This is my favorite candle. It's called Fresh Cut Gardenia. I purchased it from TJ Maxx. And we just sit that in there and light it. And it's gorgeous. So that would do it for me, my friends. I hope you guys get some ideas and you want to try this at home. Very easy DIY, not a many supplies, and everything is from Dollar Tree. I believe I may have paid up $9, and that's for both mirrors, and we are very happy with the results. So I hope you guys would like to try this. Very easy DIY to do. And I'll see you guys on the next Craft with Bree. See you soon. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!